Welcome back, everyone. Today it's Memorial Day weekend and we are going camping. We're gonna go to Coyote Flats, and in specific we're gonna go to a place called Funnel Lake. So we haven't been there. I saw a couple YouTube videos and we'll see how it goes, but there's plenty of information on how to get there, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright, so we finally made it to Lone Pine. We came to fuel up for gas. We're only 2 hours away from our destination. We just came to get some fuel. We got some caffeine, sun chips,
my crochet,
and a knife.
Knife! It's a knife!
Alright, we'll see you guys on the trail in a little bit. 2 hours. 2 hours is when we get to our destination. So we finally made it to the trailhead. We're gonna start our journey. The GPS says about an hour and 23 minutes, give or take, but we're gonna stop by for pictures and just stuff like that. So there it is right there. So we'll see you guys later. So right now we're just gonna air down because the trail is a little ruddy. Alright guys, so we made it to the beginning of this mountain, so we're gonna go all the way over there and then to the very tippy top over there. So let's see how long it takes. Check it out, we made it on top or up the hill. The temperature changed really fast. Here we are right here just chilling, and we're gonna go up. So yeah, let's continue on. We took a little break, snow. We're almost there. Going on, everyone? We finally made it. Well, we didn't make it exactly to the lake because I'll just turn around. So this is the trail right there, but once you get over there, there was so much water and snow. As you can see, there's still snow here. It's freezing cold. Beer garden, the love the girlfriend made. And this is our camp spot right here. Hung up the lights, throw on the awning room because it's gonna get cold tonight. There she is right there. Hi button.
Ew.
There's our tent. So this is the setup for right now. It's pretty cool. We're just gonna hang out a little bit, have some juices, and then tonight we're making Korean barbecue. And then tomorrow morning we'll go to, what's the lake called?
Huh?
What's the lake?
Funnel Lake.
Funnel Lake, yeah, Funnel Lake.
There's a little pond over there.
We'll walk to Funnel Lake, or yeah, there's like a little pond right there. There's a lot of water. Honestly, this trail was hard to get at.
No.
It's hard to get to.
The
Yeah.
runner ate it up.
I was stressing. I was stressed. My mouth started to get so dry. I needed gum because there's literally nobody out here. We're the only ones out here. So if I got stuck or something happened, we'd be screwed and have to walk 15, 16 miles back down to civilization. But we made it to the off-roading gods. So let's have a good one. So we got tonight's dinner. We're making Korean barbecue. So we got the short ribs right there, marinated beef bulgogi, spicy pork, rice, potato salad, spicy cucumbers, kimchi, radish paper, the drinks. Life's good, right?
Life is great.
Sheesh, we're gonna go
love life.
crazy. Okay, so that little pond over there that I showed you guys was not Funnel Lake. We flew the drone pretty high, and this is Funnel Lake. That one right there. So, but still, same thing. It's covered. All the trails are like covered in snow. As you can see right there, there's a lot of snow right there, and then it just all washed out right there. There's a huge little puddle of water. So maybe in the summertime we'll come back. And it's freezing out here, and as you can see, we're bundled up. But I don't know, maybe stay tuned for that video. Wow, this is nice. Look at this. This is nice. So, like I said, we're definitely gonna come back here next time. Maybe like late August when all the snow melt is gone. And then we'll have a video there. But yeah, no, this place is pretty sweet. Honestly, it was hard to get to. It says the trail rating is a double black diamond. And there was a lot of butt clenching moments, but it was definitely worth it. What's going on, everyone? Don't mind the nasty ratchet hair. I've been showered for 3 days. So I'm gonna show you a quick walk around of the camp setup. So obviously we got the 4Runner, the tent, and then you can see The shawty over there is swinging like crazy on the hammock. I threw up the solar panel to charge the drone, the GoPro, the phones, and then this little tiny one right here is for our lights. And then if we go on over here, you can see the awning with the annex room. We were playing some cornhole. It was going crazy. And there is the speaker. Shout out to the girlfriend. She bought it for Christmas. So look at her. Oh my gosh, she's going crazy. X Games mode.
I
oh
love
my
this
god.
hammock. Shout out. Who was this? Grand Trunk.
Grand Trunk. All right.
Aria.
And then there's the room right there. We just threw on the love seat. And then back there we got a hammock chair, the cooler, or the fridge, the electric fridge. We got the drone charging on the Blue Eddy right there. So look, we got solar panel coming in, and then the electrical going out, buddy heater. Oh man, she going crazy with it. Toilet, that's my favorite right there. That's the best investment right there. And then just the table. And yeah, that's pretty much just about it for now. Nothing crazy. It's really comfortable out here. We like it. Tomorrow we are actually gonna go to Alabama Hills. We've been there already one time, but we're gonna go again. I don't want to be here for 3 nights, so if you guys want to stay tuned for that, that'll be fun too. So we'll see you guys soon. Alrighty, so we were the only ones here. Last minute, a group of people decided to show up, which is totally fine. They came to hang out with us. Like I said, that trail to Funnel Lake was crazy. It's just inaccessible. So we ended up just settling here. Girlfriend's going crazy on the hammock right there. She's using it as a swing. Oh, it's really bright out here. We made it back down from Funnel Lake. We're gonna go to Alabama Hills. So it was a 2-hour drive on the trail, so that was a long time. But right now I'm just airing up. Check this wheel out. My really nice wheels all messed up now from all the rocks. Right there, some more rock chips there. It's messed up my tire, but whatever. It is what it is. It's the name of the game. So she's gonna definitely need a good wash. We're having Korean barbecue again.
Oh, wow.
We're gonna finish it all up. Check that out. Some tteokbokki. Compliments to the chef. So we made it to Alabama Hills a long time ago. Well, not a long time ago, around maybe like 12:30. We had lunch, we took a nap, but honestly it's really windy. So we're probably gonna go home. We're only like 3 hours away. We're tired, we're beat. So we gotta check it out. This place is pretty sweet, but it's always busy during Memorial Day weekend. So, but I like it out here.